In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore and take full advantage of OpenStreetMap. OpenStreetMap is a fantastic resource if you're looking for a comprehensive and open source map that provides a wide range of features to explore. So let's dive right in and get started on making the most out of this tool. First, we'll begin by opening OpenStreetMap. To do this, simply navigate to openstreetmap.org using your preferred web browser. On the home page, you'll notice a beautifully detailed world map right in the center of your screen. This is your canvas for exploration. Once you're ready, let's move on to searching for a specific location. Direct your attention to the top left corner where you'll find the search bar. Click on it and type in the name of the place you're interested in, perhaps a city like Manila, Philippines. Hit enter, and just like magic, the map will zoom in and highlight the location you've just searched for. Now, let's talk about how you can zoom in and out of the map to get a closer or broader look at your area of interest. On the right-hand side of the map, you'll spot the plus and buttons. Clicking the plus will zoom in for a more detailed view, while the ya lets you zoom out, offering a wider perspective. Adjusting the zoom level is perfect when you're trying to focus on specific streets or when you need to see the bigger picture. If you're interested in changing the appearance of the map, you can easily switch between different map layers. Just below the zoom buttons, there's an icon that looks like a stack of squares. By clicking on this layer's icon, you can choose from several different map styles. There's the standard layer for a basic street map, the cycle map, which highlights bike routes, the transport map option that emphasizes public transport routes, and the humanitarian layer, which is tailored for crisis and emergency contexts. Each layer offers unique information depending on your needs. When you find yourself wanting to share the map, look for the arrow icon situated just under the layers button. By clicking it, you'll be given options to copy a link to the map or even get embed code for a website. These sharing features are incredibly useful for keeping friends in the loop or adding a functional map to your blog or website. You may also want to immerse yourself fully by using the full screen mode. To do this, click on the square icon located below the share button. This will maximize the map view to cover your entire screen and temporarily hide other interface elements for a cleaner look. If you ever need assistance, there's a question mark icon at the bottom of the right side toolbar. Clicking this will open up help and guide options, which can provide valuable insights into OpenStreetMap's features and functionalities. Finally, if you haven't already, consider creating an account. Simply click on the Sign Up button at the top right corner. Having an account lets you edit maps, add places, and actively participate in the OpenStreetMap community, contributing to this vast and collaborative mapping resource. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll become a proficient user of OpenStreetMap, tapping into its robust features to explore our world with a new perspective.